What's good, everybody? On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create labels to tidy up your house, your kitchen, your bedroom. Maybe you're traveling and you want to put some stuff for the airport people, or you're packing lunches for your kid. This little device is going to do everything you need it to do. And it syncs with your phone, so you can create labels on the fly with your phone, import pictures, icons, anything that you want. And it's super inexpensive. Stay tuned for the whole video. So this is a pretty small, portable little NELKO label maker. It connects with an app, and then you can create small labels like this, right? There's a predefined label, so you just peel it and you can label anything that you want. So you can upload pictures, it's got emotions, it's got different fonts, you can do alignment. You can fit quite a lot, as you can see, on one simple little label. Comes with this little lanyard. Honestly, it's a rechargeable battery via USB-C. Very cool if you're into food preservation or you're just an extra tidy ADHD type of a person. Now I'm gonna show you how to print your label using this printer. First, you gotta install the NELKO app on your phone, iOS or Android. You gotta install the paper roll into the printer. The good thing is there's already one in there. You just gotta open it up and pull it out. You gotta long press the power button to turn on the printer first. Then you gotta press the power button twice to automatically adjust the paper. If you press the power button once, it's just gonna print a test label. This label printer connects via Bluetooth. So open the NELKO app on your mobile device, go into your Bluetooth settings, and search for any available printers. When you see the printer displayed, simply select and connect to it. Once you're connected, go to the template section in the app. Now choose any template you'd like to print. Double click on the template to edit the text and adjust the text as needed. You can change fonts, you can add icons or anything else that you desire. When you're ready, just click the print button and there you go, there's your label. So we are about to travel and we are putting our pre-workout and vitamins into these little capsules. And then we got these little labels that we're making for them. So that way when the airport people are looking at what is inside, not that they're going to be convinced, but at least there's something in here. So what do you need to label? Your airport, your workouts, your shelving when you're tidying stuff in the kitchen or in your bedroom, or you just want to put dates on frozen food or lunches for your child at the daycare. This printer is awesome and it is super inexpensive, and one spool will last you like a year. So that's the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.